In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a website in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make any changes you want to your pages, content, images, or design. Weebly automatically saves most edits while you're working, but your changes won't be visible to visitors until you publish your website. When you're ready to make your updates live, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. If prompted, confirm your publishing settings and wait for the process to finish. After the website has been published, visit your live site to make sure your changes appear correctly. If you're editing your website's HTML or CSS through the Theme section, click Save in the code editor before returning to the main editor to ensure your code changes are stored. That's how to save a website in Weebly. Thanks for watching.